Welcome back, guys. I finally got it in the mail. I got the Auxito high beams that I've been waiting for. We're going to install those today. I'm going to put them in the car, show you how to do it. I'm going to do an unboxing review. They sent me these lights, so I want to give an honest review in my personal opinion. As you know, I've used them for interior lights, I've used them for reverse lights, and many other things. I'm developing a relationship with this company, so they decided to send these lights out to me. We're going to try them out today. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you some night views, some driving views, and do a little comparison. All right, let's go. So let's get these things unboxed. This is the package, the box. It feels really nice. It looks good. Really nice packaging. The H11, H8, H9, H11 bulbs here. So from Auxito. Let's get these things opened and see what we have. There it goes. All right. Thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. Well, thank you for sending them. Looks like we have some gloves here. Usually when you're dealing with halogen lights, and I've always known that you're supposed to use gloves because the oils of your skin get on the bulb if you touch the bulb, and it can definitely reduce the lifespan of the bulb itself. So I imagine the same thing applies to the LEDs. Anyway, I don't think I'll be touching the actual chips on the lights, but anyway, they send them out to you. Product manual, real small, real simple. Just shows you how to install it. It should take 5 to 10 minutes to put them in because they are plug and play. And the beauty of that is you don't need any external drivers. Like with some lights you do need external drivers, but these you just plug and play. They're the H11s, which are the L-shaped connection that should just be identical to the current lights, the factory lights that you have in the car. So these lights, the set is 20,000 lumens. That's super bright. They are high beams. That's what I wanted to start with. I'm gonna get to the low beams in another video, but these things have a 50,000 hour plus lifespan. So that's a long time. I don't think your car's gonna last that long. I don't know, but let's take a look at them. Let's get it. Oh, they feel really solid, really solid. I do know these are made out of aluminum, aviation aluminum. So they're very strong. They're not plastic or anything. Here's your cooling fan. It spins around to keep things cool because they do generate some heat. There are your chips here on each side. Supposedly, 6 on each side, so that's 12 chips per light. They look very stylish. I mean, they look good, very modern looking. And when they get in the car, I'm sure it's going to be a nice, bright, white, crisp, modern look as well. And that's what I'm looking for. And the idea behind these lights is that they don't typically blind oncoming vehicles. That's how they've designed them. And it has a clear cutoff line. So your cutoff line in your light beam is very clear, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for just this big array of light that just goes wherever it wants to. I like a focused beam. All right, so let's go get these things installed. It should take no time, and then stick around to the end of the video. That's going to be the fun part. It's daytime right now. I'm looking forward to this evening. When it's dark, I'm going to do a comparison video. I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on these. Now, as you know, in 2 other videos in the last couple of months, I did interior lights from Auxito. I researched these. I've known about these for a long time. It's just a good company. Their customer service is good. They reach out. They answer any questions that you have. So being that I've used these for a while, Auxito reached out to me, and I was gonna get these anyway, but they went ahead and sent these out to me. I told them I'd give them an honest review on it, and that's what I'm doing today. So stick around. We'll look at these at night, and you'll let me know what you think as well down in the comments. One real quick thing, guys, I will put a link to these particular lights down in the description. Auxito has worked out a deal where my subscribers can get 15% off. Like I said, just look at the link. You can get these particular lights, or you can just plug in your car information and get any lights you want, interior lights, whatever, for your car. So you get 15% off. I have a promo code that's GIO15. That's GIO15 for 15% off. GIO stands for GrinditOut, hence the name of the channel. But anyway, guys, if you would please subscribe to the channel, put some comments down below, give it thumbs up. Let's go get these things installed and see what we think. On this particular car, 2016 Volkswagen Passat, it's fairly easy to get to. So let's get some light in here. You just go behind your light, you'll see this rubber piece here. Basically, that's just the dust cover. So you just come in and it just kind of pulls off. That's it. So I'm going to reposition the camera to get you in to see the light. It's actually right there. It's very visible, very easy to grab onto. You take the dust cover off. I got some light in here. That's it. Okay, so you can take that clip off here before you take it out. But I like to take it out because you have better access. You don't want to break this. So you just turn it counterclockwise. I know my hand's in the way. But you turn it counterclockwise like that, just a little bit, just like an eighth of a turn. And it pulls right out. Just like that. Now you can release this clip. So like I said, I need two hands, so I had to position the camera. So you just release this clip. You just pull up on that a little bit and it pops out. Okay, so there's your light. Let's go compare the two lights together before we install the new light. Here they are side by side. Obviously the Auxito LED, that's the old halogen original factory light. You see the H11 style fitment there, the L shape, but this is a little longer, so let's put it in and see how it works. So we'll do everything in reverse order. I'm going to connect this, the wiring connector. We'll just snap it into place, easy enough. Put this in the groove. Make sure it seats really well, nice and flush in there. And you just want to turn it clockwise and it locks into place. It's that simple. So once you get that in, I mean, that was so easy. You just put your dust cover back on. It's rubber. It just pops right back in place. Just keeps the water and the moisture out. All right, let's do the other side. All right, guys, real quickly. I didn't install the other one yet because I wanted to just shoot a real quick daytime video because you don't get that night glare. You get a really accurate comparison. I want to show you the halogen high beam versus the new Auxito high beam. Let's take a look at it over here. On the inside light there, that's the Auxito high beam. That's the halogen yellow. And look at the low beams. Those are getting replaced. I'll do that in another video. That's going to be coming soon. But all that yellow is gone. The flickering is just because that's what LEDs do on video, but in real life it's not doing that. So I just wanted to compare that. We're going to go for a night drive tonight. All right, guys, it's time to take a look at this. Notice on the left, the LEDs, so clear, so white, so natural. On the right, it's just that normal, dull. It's decent, but it's nothing like the LEDs. Back at home in the driveway, it looks great, very bright. And that's why I showed you the daytime shot of the lights earlier, because you didn't get this glare that you're getting right now. I wanted you to have a really clear idea of the difference. But I'm gonna be replacing the low beams very, very soon. But guys, I highly recommend these lights. I have them all over the car. I mean, I've got them all the way around pretty much now. There's the interior view that I did a little while ago in a video. Also the reverse lights. Man, it really enhances the backup camera as well. So guys, I highly recommend Auxito. I give them a complete thumbs up. And don't forget your 15% off coupon code. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.